Okay, so the people over at MusicCreator.AI approached me about doing a video for them. Of course, I like music, so sure, we'll try this. Uh, they did give me 3 free months of access to their program or to their software, but it's web-based, and there's a whole lot of stuff in here. There's going to be more added, uh, like the music video part has some uh, uh, well, singing video, story music video. Those aren't there yet. They're coming soon, it says. Uh, but there's, AI generate lyrics. You can type your own lyrics for all that matter. Of course, it'll generate the music, which is kind of the foundation for what this is. Patrick Star. If you want Patrick Star to sing Over the Rainbow, hey, there you go. Games, Mario singing stuff, whatever. And then, of course, you have my voice, which is whatever training you've done for your own voice. So let's get into it and see what we come up with. Let's go to AI lyric generator. And let's go ahead and type another title. Let's just do man stuff. So lyrics, we want man stuff. We'll just do some like recap of some things that we want in the lyrics. Let's see. Yeah. What else? What else? What else we got? Ideas. Uh, Wall mounts, TV mounts. We'll just do that, right? Okay. So energetic. Let's go with yeah. Well, yeah. Energetic. Structure. That's fine. Style. Hip hop for sure. Wake up. Oh, dude. Yes, coffee. Okay. So let's see. Go ahead and generate here. Okay, intro. Oops, not dumped. No. Uh, okay. Tools on the table, sun in the sky, gears on the trunk. Because I think I want this in there. And is that what I put at the front? Yep. And then chorus again. So let's go ahead and boom and paste. Right? Let's go ahead and generate that music. And we'll be back to check on it here. All right, let's see how this sounds.
It's time for man stuff. DIY or don't. Tools on the table, sun in the sky, gear in the trunk, got work to try. Wake up, coffee strong, the plan is set. Mind on the mission, not breaking the sweat. Pull out the impact, spin them screws, blueprints on paper, I know what to do. Grass is high, the engine roars alive, blades kicking up stories as I drive. All these pieces scattered, they'll fit in time, building up my space line after line. It's never just the nails or wood and steel. It's how good it feels to make it real. Hands on the work, I'm living it up, breaking it down and building it up. Call it what you want, but I call this my rush. Hands dirty, heart steady, that's how I do my stuff. Hands dirty, heart steady, that's how I do my stuff. It's time for man stuff. DIY or don't. Flat pack puzzle spread across the floor. Flipping through pages, searching for more. Staring at bolts, lining up holes. This is my rhythm, this is my role. Level in my pocket, stud, find the beeps. Mount the TV, measure twice, go deep. Thick wood, black screws, anchors tight. Turning my day into a kingdom tonight. Sparks of pride with every single mark. I shape my story until it leaves a mark. Hands on the work, I'm living it up, breaking it down and building it up. Call it what you want, but I call this my rush. Hands dirty, heart steady, that's how how I do my stuff. Hands dirty, heart steady, that's how I do my stuff. It's time for man stuff. DIY, DIY, oh don't. No shortcuts taken. I take my time. Every inch measured, edge on the line. Mistakes made lessons. Never back down. Hammer the history. Crown on my crown. Hands on the work, I'm living it up. Breaking it down and building it up. Call it what you want, but I call this my rush. Hands dirty, heart steady, that's how I do my stuff. Hands dirty, heart steady, that's how I do my stuff. It's time for man stuff. DIY, DIY. Sun setting slow. My job is done. Looking at my work, yeah. I'm the one. Pain in my hair. Dust on my jeans. This is my world. Built on my dreams.
First off, love it. Love it. Dude, amazing. Amazing. Love it. Love it. Let's download that. Right. Okay, we're gonna put a link for this down below in the description. I've like really wanted my own music for my channel, so this is phenomenal.